Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Kayu Street and Kayu Jati Street in Seminyak area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will explore Kayu Street and Kayu Jati Street during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay, now we are in Kayu Street. You see, left side and right side, there is some shop is already open but still very quiet. There is not so many cars today and not so many motorbikes, just very quiet. And if you see on the sidewalk, it's very empty, there's no people there. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update new situation in Bali. Actually, last month I already updated in this area during the day and the night time. And now you can compare how the different from last month on July and now in August. Same time in emergency lockdown. Oh, there's a tourist on motorbike. Love to see that actually. And you see left side, there is a lot motorbike parking. There's a restaurant there. I mean, there is some people have lunch right there, I think. You see left side, right side? Oh, there is some shop still closed actually. Okay, there is at the front is Seminyak Square. In August, this already open but still very quiet. You see tourist right side? Love to see that. And left side, there is Seminyak Village, like a big mall in this area. It's already open too. And you see the right side, there is Sisterfield restaurant. It's very famous and lots more motorbike parking there. I think lots of people have some lunch right there now. Okay, from Kayu Street and now we reach Kayu Jati Street. And also I already updated in last month. Still look very quiet, isn't it? In this area there is a lot of hotel and some shop. Also actually in Kayu Jati Street we have night bar we call Mexicola. Motel Mexicola is very famous and always busy in the night time. You see left side, there's big hotel. But look very quiet. Right side, there's restaurant, also quiet. And you see at the front right side, there's a big hotel. Some people stay there. Glad to see that actually. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Kayu Street and Kayu Jati Street. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.